Hi AAPNites, it has been a great 2 days. It has been our annual day and it was a great chance to meet a lot of new people whom we haven't met before. Met a lot of our new youngsters, our new blood. It was great to bond with them. Had a lot of different sports activities, award ceremonies, great food, great speeches by our leaders, great presentations, and it has been very amazing. And we hope that it will go on. We will have many more annual days going forward in the future. Thank you and have a good time.
Yeah, so these 2 days were very refreshing kind of, as we are completely work from home, so it gave me an opportunity to meet my colleagues, and it is going well for me. I'm very excited for tonight, and like Abhijit's speech, it was very inspirational. Like, I'm filled with inspiration, and at last, AAPNA Values Impact. Thank you.
Last 2 days have been really amazing. Yesterday sports day was full of joy, activities, and it was really great team bonding. Today the celebrations were amazing. The award ceremony went really well, and I had really great time, and I am looking forward to have more joyous time like these with AAPNA in coming time.
I've been waiting to join the team for the annual day organization, and I like the vibe, I like the team, and I've been waiting eagerly for almost a year. Like it's more than even a year. It's been 2 years since we have our last journey together, and I love the food, I love the team, I love the awards, and eagerly waiting for the night program, which is especially it's a DJ, and everybody will be dancing and everybody will be yelling out from the heart, and just for the love of the company, and I definitely like it.
I would say the function was very nice, well organized, and I really like the environment that this company provides to me and to us.
Apart from everything, Abhijit's speech was too motivational and inspirational. So AAPNA really is a very friendly and very good company, and AAPNA truly values impact.